Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks to clean the kitchen while you're cooking. We all know once we are done with cooking, we are really lazy to actually clean up the kitchen. So why not we clean up the kitchen as we cook? So let's get started. So the first tip is to clear out the clean vessels. Suppose last night you had loaded the dishwasher and there are clean vessels. So first thing is to put back all these vessels, cups, plates, etc. into their respective places. So that's what I'm going to do. Next tip is to always start with a clean kitchen. That is, clean out the cooking area and also empty the sink. That is, if you have any vessels from the previous cooking of lunch or breakfast like I had. So first clean out these and then only start your cooking. One extra tip I can give you here is, because we have already cleared out the dishwasher, we have enough space to actually put in the dishes after we wash them, so that the water is not dripping everywhere and the vessels have enough space to actually dry before we place them back. Cleaned out the cooking area as well with some disinfectant wipes and changed the aluminium foil. The third tip is, while cutting veggies, have a separate plate or a bowl to collect the waste. So today I thought I'll be making some Gujarati aloo tomato ki sabzi. For that I have a plate and I have kept a separate bowl wherein I'm going to throw in all the peels which I'll collect it there, and it will be easy for me to throw it once I'm done. You can also place your small decomposed bin if you have on the top of the counter, so that it's easier to throw in the waste directly into that as well. So the next tip is, clean up as your food cooks. So as you can see that because of tadka, there has been some splattering all over the place, which is quite normal. So I'm just gonna keep cleaning it as and when I cover and let the food cook. Next I'm gonna just put in all the vessels that I used for cutting up the veggies into the sink, and I'll just wash these up quickly as the food is still cooking. Next tip is, whenever I cook, I always keep the cooking spatula or the cooking spoon on a plate or a tissue paper. This way I ensure that the kitchen counter is pretty clean. The last tip that I can give is transfer the cooked food into a different container. I always transfer the cooked food into microwave safe glass container. This ensures that the food is fresh, whether it is rice, sambar, dal or any sabji that I have prepared. This makes it easy to reheat the food at a later time as well, and I can always wash up the vessel that I have cooked the food in. I'm just gonna let the cooked vessel soak in lukewarm water for around 2-3 minutes before I can start washing it. So I'm done with the cooking and the kitchen is completely clean. I've stored the cooked food over there. The sink is clean and all my vessels that I have washed are in the dishwasher to dry. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.